Hello everyone. So here is not a theory, well, a fact about black hole stars. Black hole stars are stars which were about formed when the universe was 5 to 7 years old, 5 to 7 billion years old. So then these black hole stars formed, and these were massive. Some small galaxies which were about 4 to 5 light years wide in the early universe. These guys were that big only. The smallest ones being about 400 million kilometers. That, bro, even our sun is only 852,000 kilometers or something. How big were black hole stars? So they have a creepy fact about them. They were just massive and super dense and super weird, but they had a black hole in their core instead of a burning hot real core like our sun or any star which you can see today. So these stars had a black hole at their core which slowly eats them up, but they don't get eaten that soon. It takes thousands to millions of years for just 50% of the star to be eaten, and when it reaches more than 50% eaten, it goes a supernova. Well, it's not a supernova because it was a giant star, so let's call it hypernova. That's what it's actually called, I guess. So in the hypernova, the star exploded and created some hydrogen gas clouds which were about 20 miles wide. These led to the formation of new galaxies, stars, and the supermassive black holes we see today, which are also a puzzle to scientists because in the little age of 14 billion years, how can the black holes, which sometimes are only size of London, grow to the size of more than 50 suns, or turn 618, let's say it, 11 solar system. Okay, so how are these black hole stars formed? But it's like normal stars, but they normal stars are formed from hydrogen and helium bubbles, but they contain many impurities like carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, lots of impurities. But black hole stars, hydrogen bubbles were almost big as small galaxies. No, not stars, bubbles. And they were extremely pure, which led to the creation of these giants. Bye bye.